Place of supply of services. Article 29 of the UAE VAT Decree Law focuses on determining the place of supply when services are provided. This is a fundamental concept in VAT law because the place of supply determines which country's VAT rules apply to a particular service transaction. For services, the default rule outlined in this article is that the place of supply will be the place of residence of the supplier. This rule applies unless there is a specific exception provided elsewhere in the law or executive regulations. 1. What is the place of supply? The place of supply is the country where a service is legally considered to have been supplied for VAT purposes. Knowing the correct place of supply ensures that VAT is charged, or not charged, correctly under the right country's tax system. 2. General rule place of supply for services. Under Article 29, the general rule is simple. The place of supply of services is considered to be the place of residence of the supplier. This means, if the supplier is established in the UAE, with a registered business or fixed establishment in the UAE, the service will be treated as supplied in the UAE. If the supplier is established outside the UAE, the supply will not be subject to UAEVAT, unless the reverse charge mechanism applies under separate provisions. 3. What is the place of residence of the supplier? The place of residence means the country where the supplier has its main business establishment. If the supplier operates from multiple locations, the place of residence is the location that has the closest connection to the supply of the service. For example, a company headquartered in Dubai providing consulting services to a UAE client has its place of residence in the UAE. A consultancy firm based in France providing remote services to a UAE business has its place of residence in France. 4. Why does place of supply matter for services? This rule is crucial for cross-border transactions, such as international consultancy, digital services, legal and accounting services, advertising and marketing services. When both the supplier and the recipient are in the UAE, the service is taxed under UAEVAT. If the supplier is outside the UAE, the recipient in the UAE may have to account for VAT under the reverse charge mechanism. This is addressed in other provisions, not directly under Article 29. 5 Key implications of this rule. This rule ensures most services provided by UAE-based businesses to UAE customers are taxed under UAEVAT. It also supports cross-border trade by avoiding double taxation, ensuring services are only taxed in one country, subject to reverse charge rules where applicable. 6. Practical example. Scenario 1. UAE company provides marketing services to a UAE client. VAT 5% UAEVAT applies, domestic supply. Scenario 2. UAE consultancy provides services to a Saudi business. VAT depends if the Saudi business is VAT registered, possible reverse charge in Saudi. Scenario 3. UK software company provides remote services to a UAE business. VAT reverse charge may apply, UAE business self-assesses VAT. 7. Reference to exceptions. Article 29 only provides the general rule. There are exceptions where the place of supply for certain services is determined differently, such as services related to real estate, services relating to events held in specific locations, certain electronic services supplied directly to consumers. These special cases are set out in later articles and the executive regulations. For more details, contact us.